Hey everybody, I want to start by showing you this painting from video 539. Pretty much looks exactly as it did at the end of the video. I really like it, and I would be hanging it vertically. I would be. I don't know what a buyer would want, but... And then this is 540, and I was in love with this right after the pour, and I am still so in love. Look at those cool lines. Look at that. The runoff. Oh my gosh, so cool. Very happy with that one. I'm just doing a bitty canvas today. I'm looking at that, and I think it is 4x4. So I could probably get you pretty close. Yeah, I think it's 4x4. And I'm just going to try to do a little mallet smash. Yeah. Sometimes with the little one, since there's so much frame around it, the mallet smash just doesn't really work. It works, I guess the frame to open canvas ratio isn't the best, but we're going to try it. I'll use my lightweight mallet. I'm going to use Artist Loft Metallic Red, Prussian Blue, and Grumbacher Vermilion mixed with Metallic Orange. Alrighty, shake those puppies up. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and put the puddle on. It's being held up by like 3 wonky push pins, so it's really kind of a joke. So there's the Prussian. And the orange. I have so many paintings I need to list on Etsy. I was putting hanging stuff on the back and all that. Now I just have to take all my pictures. Okay, this is like so... You're probably asking, why didn't she put 4 push pins? I don't know. Because I had 3 handy and I didn't want to go looking for the 4. Alrighty. So this, we'll just see. Super cool. Way too much paint. Way too much paint. So I'm going to pour some of that off. I'm going to torch it and then smash again. And the reason I'm smashing again is because all of those weirdo cells have popped up. Okay, this just isn't going to work, I don't think, as a mallet smash. So I am going to give it my swirl, the swirl effect, which gives me lines, which I am oh so happy with. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I like that. And I think I want that other part out because it doesn't match. I still got a lot of paint, so I can keep playing. I just love watching. I mean, I guess it's kind of like how I like geopores, you know, that people do with resin and acrylic and stuff. This reminds me a lot of that. But who doesn't? I mean, you know, it's a shape found in nature. This is weird. This is the first painting I have had to like hold. Oh man. Oh, got it all messy. Have to fix that. I like how, look at how the lines just keep overlapping down the side. Lines on lines on lines. So yeah, this canvas was, maybe had this been a solid surface, I could have gotten by with the Mallet Smash. Or maybe had I used a heck of a lot less paint. But as it is, I'm very happy with this. You would never ever know that there was orange in this. Ooh, now it looks kind of like a highway map. Or arteries. Alright. Ooh, the mallet isn't so bad either. What is this? I shall bring you down. Ow! I just stepped on. Oh, when I clean the back of my resin pieces, there's the back of my Lazy Susan that I am painting white. Look how cute! Oops. I really like it. It's just a simple little one. Lines, lines, lines. Love them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.